嗯，连上了。
在那里怎么没出来？
小爱，你把那个链接打开，看看有了吗？
有了。
太糊了。你的手机不能动。
看看小爱，你打开看一下。
看一下界面。你
直播的那个界面看一下。
直播的那个玩意儿你放哪了？
就是那个链接。你就直接在 YouTube 里面点进去。
哦，完蛋了，这个好像是你的电脑哈。不能这样子。
你就在那个什么，哎，就这样子呀。
这怎么看成这样啦？下来一点。
把那个3D 关掉，里面有一个。
他这个头像不是，这视频好像是一个
3D 的，你拿一下，我来把那个3D 找出来关掉。有一个远景拍的那个。
有一个消息，两个人正在看。哇，这个3D 的，我瞅瞅。你要翻成英文了，是不是 settings 里面？设置。这个呢？这好像是定制啊，什么意思？这个完了，已经有声音了。Sorry, we are doing some settings to get the screen much more clear. So please wait for one moment. 哪里打？我打呀，我就把电脑拿过来哟。就他是我现在说他们能听到呀。
这要在哪里？
这个不能直接播。
现在你不就是在直接播吗？
不是，你们不是还搞什么预约吗？
哎呀，不知道在哪里关掉那个3D 的。
你是在哪看见过那个3D 吗？
我之前设置的。你是在哪看见过那个3D？
妈呀！
这个总算找到病因了。你现在拍出来是对的吗？
你看一下那个，那个。咦，怎么还是这样？上面那个是什么？DVR 是什么？
已经关掉了。
咋还是这个样子？这是像素，妈呀！
完了，这个3D 的好像关不掉了。
搜搜看。
天天手机上难关啊。
有5个人啦。
Standard。
这还是无视。
你先不要对着那里，我要查个东西，我要确认。
刚刚不是关了吗？是为什么？我也没搜到。
屏幕，手机对着屏幕吧。
屏幕问题是我现在正在查。
他在百度。
算了，你对着那个视频吧，我用手机来百度。
视频。哦哦。要不你先，这很奇怪。妈呀，这个颜值！
OK， 我把这个打开，可能就有了。这里面的声音，那里面是听不到的，对吗？这个里面播放视频的声音，那个 live 里面是听不到的，只能我。他说没有声音。OK， 就这样讲吧。这个电脑上是延迟的。Hello。哎，等一下，停一下。这咋不听使唤呢？哎，这怎么不听使唤呀？我要把它弄小呀。这个不能在这个上面弄小吗？那怎么办？要多小？不是，就是对，这就要这样子。失灵了，完了。你还搞？我要搞到主画面那里去，能不能切到这里来？就是刚刚有很多列表的，在这儿，在这儿，这些都不灵了。
是啊，这个东西你放大了以后，在这里你可以点这个。
你点。你来关掉，我来点一下看看。
这个东西这么破吗？还有一支笔，你会不会那支笔？
哎，不行啊！
怎么会死机了？
我
在电脑上给你点。我正好一边拍一边点。
赶紧切换，这一个腿摆在这里。你现在把这个暂停，然后我先讲一下，从这里开始。OK， 已经过了多长时间了？为什么它又开始了？把这个打开。
会不会用手指就可以点？
试过了。刚刚还好好的，可能它就是不理你。然后我来看一下有没有人在那说 Hello。 Okay, great. Thank you, Rachel. Thank you for your. Yes, we can speak English. Sorry. So good evening and thanks for staying in our in our channel. And we have the first time through the YouTube live show. Yeah, we need it wastes some time for us to get the setting, but next time we will do it better. Okay. So first, let me introduce myself. This is Yo-Yo, and we do the cosmetic machines. And this is my channel. Firstly, could you please subscribe our channel at Yo-Yo Cosmetic Machine? Okay, thank you very much. So today our topic is about how to choose and select the mascara and lip gloss filling machine. As we all know that it is a daily product for all the women beauties to apply on our lips. So look at my lip. This is the most favorite color I like, and I apply the lip cream. Okay, so from our company, we are Shanghai Genie, and our brand is Gienicos. We specialized in color cosmetic machines since 2011. All right, and I am working here since the company set up. So I have rich experience of the machines select, like which model is suitable for you. And we have rich experience to help customer establish the color cosmetic business. All right, and also our company is able to help you to go for the turnkey projects because we have the strong technical engineer team and also the service team. There is a news that we probably will go to Italy for the Cosmoprof exhibition next year on March. So later when I have the booth number, I will share and welcome for your come, and we could meet face to face. About the machine for lip gloss and mascara, I would like to show first a playlist. Okay, so basically we have different model. The most economic one is a dual nozzle, but vertical type, only do the filling. Okay, and this is semi-automatic, semi-automatic, and automatic. And next we could go with the high speed. Okay, and based on this high speed, we could update it with the robot to replace the label. As you know, the label cost goes very high, right? So this playlist reminds us that we grow one step by step. We grow step by step. From the machine, we also update from first generation to the last. Yeah, thank you, Rachel. Thanks for your following up. Okay, firstly, let me show the video of the most economic one, and this machine is really the best choice when you start your business of the mascara and lip gloss. Okay, let me first make this video on, and you watch. 我去拿个管子来，消失一下，让他看一下。So first you watch the video, and later I will show you the mascara and lip gloss container for introduce more. Okay, so you could put the bottles here, 2 bottles, okay, and then the machine will do filling. You see that it will goes up and filling during the lifting. Okay, so later I will explain you why we need to do it like this. And we also can make the English version here, because when we take the video, the screen, we don't exchange to the English version. And this is a foot switch. So the machine has 2 models. One is by foot switch, and another is automatic. People just place the bottles on the into the pots. Okay, so this machine is used for mascara, and I will show you why the lifting. I bring a lot samples. Okay. So these are for the lip gloss, lip cream, and these are for the mascara, and also this one, eyelash or eyeliner. Okay. Firstly, I will explain on this machine. You just need to put this bottle into the black box, 2 pieces. Okay, 2 pieces, and the machine will drive the bottles up, and during the filling, the bottles will go down. So this will do the best filling result, so that the material can be filled at the bottom. Okay, so this is the advantage. I know that some customers are using a very traditional machine, which is 1 nozzle. But when they do the one nozzle filling, they have to ask the operator hold the bottles up. So it will take a lot for the label. And if the label is lazy, I mean the operator is lazy, they could not get perfect filling result. And maybe sometimes you could see that at the bottom the material doesn't completely filled inside. So this is why we suggest customer to buy this machine for a start. Okay, so next we come to, so this is the first generation for start up the business of your mascara or lip gloss. And next we come for the more semi-automatic。哎，不知道是哪个，这是怎么是自动啊？调了吗？不是这个，半自动啊。OK， 这个 foundation 呢？再换一个，在这个下面这个，嗯 ，OK， 停一下。Okay, so next, I would like to highlight this semi-automatic machine. This machine has the function of filling and capping. So let me introduce you the components of the mascara and lip gloss. So all the mascara and lip gloss has three components. First is the bottle, and then it is the small wipers. Okay, and the third one is the brush cap. Okay, so a lot of companies, when we start, they just do the filling, and the brush and the wipers they will do by hand. Okay, but later when you expand, you need to find a solution to replace the label and increase the speed, right? So this is gonna be the machine to complete your plan. Okay, so the machine has the function of filling and these wipers will be automatically filled and put on the bottle, and then manually pull the brush. The machine will close. Okay, here we go. Let me show you the video. 哎呀，这个搞不下来了。Okay, manually put the bottles. Put the bottles, and the machine will drive the bottles up and filling while the bottle is dropping, right? And here it is a sensor. So when the sensor detects there is no bottle, the machine doesn't fill in, so that it will save the material, and also to avoid the mascara or lip gloss dropping on the machine, so it's getting dirty, right? Okay, after filling, okay, this is a close video to show how the filling goes, and you see the nozzle is moving. Nozzle is moving, the bottle is moving, so it shows that, right? And here it is the wipers. This is the wipers. You could put a lot of wipers disorder into the vibration bowl. You can see the wipers will drive here one by one, and this is a mechanical arm. It will pick up the wipers and put on the bottles, and then it will press the bottle, press the wipers for tightly press on the bottle. Okay, and next, after that, how to do the brush. For this machine, we do manually place. Okay, we do manual place. We also have the automatic version. Later, I could show you. But this machine is really good for what? For the OEM or private label factories. When you have different kind of bottles, wipers, and a brush, you must have this machine to help you do the production flexible. Okay, here is capping. You can see It is very like a hand to close the cap. And the tight you could adjust. The torque, the capping torque, you could adjust on our touch screen. And here is a product push out. So the end products will be pushed out and dropped inside, convey out for the next job like labeling. All right. So this is the machine running process. And let's come back to the first to show the photo. Okay. So when you watch here, you are going to find the difference. This machine has two tanks, but the two tank is different. It's not the same. Why we designed this? The idea is coming from an engineer that one time we have a customer, they insist on one machine to do both lip gloss and mascara. So we are also thinking why we cannot. Because as before, we all know that lip gloss usually choose the hot feeling, a little bit heat with a warm keeping tank. But mascara, we need pressure because of the material is high viscosity. It cannot be pumping inside the bottles without any pressure. Okay, so the point is we give two tanks, one tank with the pressure function for the mascara, and one tank is a cone shape. It's a cone shape because a lip gloss is light viscosity. We choose a cone shape with a little pressure, and at meantime we could change this tank with a heating type. So with two tank, you could do one machine for two products. But there is one point you have to be attention. Mascara is black color, and the lip gloss you have many red colors or other green or something like this. So you are suggested to bake up one set of valve, one set of piston here for easy cleaning and fast switching for the production purpose. So in this case, when you do the mascara, okay, you have the pressure tank, you have the valve, and you have the piston. When you do lip gloss, just remove the valve and piston and put a new one for lip gloss and a tank for lip gloss. In this way, you could reach these very important things. Okay, Russia, later after the show, I will try to type you the message on the WhatsApp, but I already prepared information through email. You could wait for us too. Thank you. Okay, so this machine will be the best one when your production goes up and you have a lot different kind of container size. Okay, so and also I give you a hint that this machine is our popular products in this year. All right. Okay, so next. And also price is beautiful. Next, let's go with this one. Okay. First, you watch the video, and then I will explain you, and you could find the difference yourself. 这个东西我放哪里了？可以，我看得到。是吗？我来划一下。划不了。
你那里显示有两个模式，一个 VR，还有一个什么 摄影，然后关不掉那个 VR，不知道是不是开着关不掉。
我看看有没有人哈，只有4个人在看。Okay. Okay, stop here. Okay, stop here. So do you know why I would like to show the video without any explanation? Because when you see this bottle, you will understand it's not for mascara and lip gloss. It is for what? Yeah, it is for foundation cream. Okay, so this is also a very good news that the machine, the semi-automatic rotary filling and capping machine, is not only can be used for lip gloss mascara, but also can be used for the foundation cream. You know, we give this function because we have a new update of our filling pumps. I mean the piston pumps. We have the options. The first option is from the filling range 1 to 20, and the second is 20 to 50 ml, and foundation cream usually 30 ml. So when we change the piston pump and we change this holder, you could use machine for the foundation cream. So this is another advantage of this machine, and this is why I said that this is the most popular model in this year. Okay, so next we will go for the automatic one. 对，这个。Okay, so this gonna be another version when your production goes stable and you have a huge quantity for 1 or 2 containers, then you could consider this fully automatic machine. Okay, so you could see that the bottles are coming into the machine automatically, right? It will fold inside the box, and this one for detect and this for filling. Okay, and after filling, this is the brush. You can see it will automatically vibration and putting into one order, so the brush will come one by one. And for the same, the wipers also coming one by one and pick up. So this one it detects. If there's no wipers, the machine doesn't pick up the brush cap. If there's no bottles, the machine doesn't filling. Okay, so capping and an arm, a mechanical arm, pick up the bottles and discharge it through a chute. And through this one, you could pass it through the labeling machine. And the advantage of this machine is the filling and the rotary type are individual controlled. It means that you could use this filling machine as a single nozzle for the trial order, trial samples. You can see like this. So this is an individual controlled single nozzle. So for some trial order, you could choose this single nozzle filling. And when you have mass production, you could connect that machine. Okay, stop here. You could connect this machine with the rotary machine. All right. This machine, we have several units working in the outside. One unit in France, and the customer is quite happy because they choose it for their lip gloss products. Very huge production capacity. And as I explained, this is the filling part, and this is the rotary monoblock part. So filling machine, you could use it as a single nozzle filler to do some samples. Okay, and after the samples passed passed the inspection by your customers, and your customer give you a big order and you need mass production, you could connect the filler to our rotary, and this one will complete uh, the whole job, and only need one person to put the bottles here. The other jobs automatically. And the speed of this machine is high, at 40 to 45 in 1 minute. But the speed always depends on the viscosity and also the formula of your products. But our testing is 40 pieces per minute, is a stable one. But one customer from Russia, Belarus, they use machine. They use it to get the production at around 45. So it depends. Different material, different even different operation people. You could get different results. But generally speaking, this is always we call it module design. Module design, it means that it is also very hot here. It means that as you are not use this machine for one product or for one-time usage, so when you have different requirements, the machine could fit your requirements. All right. So here we write nail polish and perfume, because if we change parts, we change some designs, it can reach the nail polish feeling. Okay, we are now making a very nice nail polish filling machine for Fila Bila. Okay, and next. Yeah, exactly, Russia. You have a good question. Concealer is also can be used on the semi-automatic one. The reason is concealer has also get the same components like lip gloss, right? So you just need to change some parts like holders, because bottle size different, and you also need to change some the capping, the grasper, because sometimes the container, the cap diameter is also different. So you could send us the components, I mean the samples of your bottle, all the samples. So we will ask our engineer to do the evaluation, and then we give you a suggestion, a yes or no. And if it is yes, what kind of spell parts you need to change, and I will give you the quotation. All right. Yeah, exactly. Foundation cream for a small batch production. Okay. So next. Okay, for this one I would like to introduce you. Okay. Uh, it has a history for this machine. 啊，好像不是这个。Hold on，这个不是那个，对，就这个。Okay, this machine has a history. I still remember that when I go to Las Vegas to attend the Cosmoprof exhibition, I met one person from United States, and he is an engineer. At that time, we bring this machine to the show, and when he went to our booth, he said, "Are you from China?" I said, "Yes." "Are you sure? This machine is not made in China. It should be made in Germany. That's really a good design, and I like it very much." So the man ordered this machine from the exhibition directly, and up to now, already 4 years, the machine is still running excellent in their workshop. Only we supplied some parts for their changing, because they run it a long time, and some parts like easy broken parts, that like O-rings, like some parts they need to replace, but the other parts are really very good. So this is why I want to highlight. Let me show you how does it work. Okay, you could find here the bottles. Okay, later. This is a pneumatic control. It means that all the actions are worked by the pneumatic, the cylinder. Okay, it is not mechanical. The difference between pneumatic and mechanical is pneumatic is more easy for you to adjust if you don't have any technical skills. But the mechanical system is more stable, because this pneumatic you have to be sure that uh, the compressed air is stable. Okay, so this is the bottle loading. I love this design very much. Like two-person is helping, one person is hand over the bottle, and one person is put the bottles into the pucks. Yeah, very interesting. And here it is the wipers. They will pick up two wipers and place to the bottles. And over here, there is a light. This is a sensor. It means that sensor will detect if there is no wipers. Okay, the machine doesn't place the brush cap inside. Okay, so here is brush cap fitting, and this is capping. And after capping, it will coming out. I do have a video to show this machine working in customer's plant. If anybody is interested, you can write me email or leave us message in our comment area at UU Cosmetic Machine, and then I could forward the real video working in our customer's plant. Okay, and so this machine gives the speed around 45 to 50 pieces 1 minute. Okay, although we don't make it too much at the moment, because a lot of people, because of the corona, I think the corona situation give the cosmetic business a little bit down. So currently people are choosing the semi-automatic more than the automatic. But except some big companies like Cosmax, Intercos, they would like to have the fully automatic one, because they are really wonderful, save the label and give the production much more smooth. All right, so next. So next is a high speed production line. This line is working in United States, and the customer has two filling machine. Later I will explain to you. Okay, it has 12 nozzles, so it can fill 12 bottles in one time. And you can see the wipers are picked up and pressed, right? Okay, and the operator will put the caps, the brush, and then it will go for the capping. The capping has 4 heads, so it can capping 4 bottles in one time, and then the bottles will pick up and convey out. This is a check wheel. The check wheel will check if the filling is accurate. If it is not, it will reject out. 为什么屏幕还是之前的？可能有点迟缓。Okay, so filling, wipers filling, and this is a conveyor for operator to stand by. One side to load the bottles, and one side to load the caps. Okay, here load cap bottle, and over there load caps, and this is the capping, and here is a check wheel to check the weight. Okay, so this is a linear type. So linear type gives high speed, but also it requires your room space to be enough. Okay, so usually when you need it, okay, when you have when you want the production to be high, when you want 1 minute you can do 60 to 72 pieces. So you could consider this machine. And this machine, you can also use it for both mascara and lip gloss. You could buy another filling machine and put it here. Okay, we have one customer in United States. They just do like this. When they do the mascara, they choose this filling machine. And when they do the lip gloss, they choose this. So all these machines, all the sections are fast connected, Even to produce the lip gloss, you could move the lip gloss filler out and just this mascara filling connected. Okay, and this is the wipers, and this wipers filling is not an easy job to make. It is hard because the vibrator will give 6 wipers out. So 2 times 6 pieces wipers out, and this one will pick up 12 pieces in one time. It will put on the bottles mouth. Okay, so after that, this is a air cylinder press, small press to press the wipers on top of the bottles. All right, so here 2 sides, one operator put the bottles into the holder. Okay, so why we need a holder? Because all these bottles are very slim. You could not run it on the conveyor because it is easy to be fell down. So we give a holder, we put these bottles on the holder, and the holder will drive the bottles to the filling. Alright, so this is why. And for this action, we already have a project for COSMETIC company. We give a robot pick up the bottle and put into the holders. The next video I will show you. Okay, so the other part is to put the brush cap, and it will go for the capping here. So after capping, we need to take out the bottles from the holder, and the belt will convey it out. So the holders will come back for the bottles loading again. So these holders are running in circulation type. So it will not come back. It will not move out. It will come back to the filling again. So after filling capping, at the end of the machine, we could add a check wire to check the weight. If the filling is not precision, or you get some problem that the material is lacking in the tank, okay, to avoid some problem from your customer, right? 掉线了。
啊？
哦，现在又好了。Okay, so. So after the check wire, you could also add a labeling machine for the color code. We also have this machine on sale, and that is also very nice machine. You can do it not only for the lip gloss but also for the lipstick. Yeah, very nice multifunction. So information. You can also subscribe our channel at YoYo Cosmetic Machine and leave the message in our comment area. And I will reply. Okay. So next I will show you how the robot looks like. Okay. 2021 new design robot loading machine. Okay, first let you view the show, view the video. 哎，这个上面怎么 chat 只有2个人了？来叫一个人进来。 这个3D 的客户说要关掉，这个客户还挺懂的。Okay, this is the holders as I explained. You put these bottles into the holders, alright? 这个已经放完了吗 ？Alright, okay. So you could see the robot will pick up the bottles and put inside the holders, and then it will go to the filling. So in this part, it will save one labor, or not only one, 2 labors. But when you use the robot, you have to make sure that the bottles will coming through a tray, all right? Coming through a tray, and the tray must place to the elevators. Okay, this is empty tray, and you see that the underneath the same direction. We choose ABE robot. Okay, they are placed under. You could ask the bottles, I mean the container supplier to do this job. Ask them to prepare the sample, the products on a tray with your own or with your order, so that you could choose the robot machine. This one is working in cosmetic company, and they are quite happy with it because they have mass production for these products. They really happy with it. And in the future, we will have more design and also more idea about how to improve the machine, how to let customers get more benefits. Because when the machine is good, your production is smooth, and you could receive more orders from your customer, right? So we are happy to work with any person in local or abroad. We can get mutual benefits. So today, all in all, today it is our first time to do this YouTube live show like this way, and we still not find a way to close the 3D. That's why when you see the video, it looks kind of strange. But I hope that my explanation and these videos you already viewed, and if you have any questions, you could let me know. Okay, so very nice to see that still have 2 person watching now. Yeah, always watching us, so very nice. And next time I think I will explain you about I don't know what will be you are interested. Maybe you could write us in the comment area. So what you are gonna to learn for any makeup products. You could write us what you want to know, and I will do some and do more explanation to you. 是有没有漏？好像漏了一个。
还有这个。
你这个顺序不对，所以呢就不对了。就这样吧。
是。
今天
8点10分，差不多一个。
差不多啊。Okay, so I will stay in this live show for 5 minutes more, and I hope that I could receive some comments from your side. Any questions or any suggestions for next live show? What you want to know? Or maybe we can talk about compact powder, because recently I have some inquiries from the abroad that they are going to have a new factory about a compact powder, and how do you think? Maybe we could do that. Write me yes or no. 真的，这个3D 的确实看到很 是我这个好像掉线了，就是 check。
check 哪里 check？
就是
这个人是已经成过单的客户。
没有新的，就是最近才联系的，他要开新工厂。
怎么这个还像套娃一样？
就网上看的。
你看这个里面像套娃一样。
有一个客户，你看，他觉得有点内容。Okay, so today the show is almost finished. I'm waiting if anybody could write me something. Is it clear? When I'm saying and the video is clear or not?
那这3D 可以拖啊，3D 的是可以拖的。接下来是在工厂播机器可以用这个3D 的，然后平时录这个的话就用那个一般的，是吧
？3D 的看得头晕。
如果播机器的、播工厂的话，他们可以再这样子拖。是吧？如果是播工厂这样子拖，不是可以看到那个机器的全景？
就是这个有点，不要说话了，有点吵。他还要回到那一步就结束了。
让他去 WhatsApp 了。
到了5分钟了吗？到5分钟了。
还有，你还要继续？
不讲了，我就等你跟他说一下。OK。这个是这样的。I find a function for this that you could turn it 360 degrees. It's quite interesting, but I don't know why that today we didn't manage well. So hopefully next time you have a more clear viewing and experience. Okay, video working, broadcasting. Okay. So I hope you enjoy tonight, and let's see you next time. And remember that I am Yoyo, and you could subscribe again our channel and at Cosmetic Machine, Yoyo Cosmetic Machine. Don't forget add it. Okay. So remember again that I'm Yoyo and working in Gienicos company. We specialized in color cosmetic machine, especially for the makeup. And I like makeup very much, like all the beauties, alright? So, lastly, at Yo-Yo Cosmetic Machine. So see you next time. And thank you, Rachel, for your comments, and I will keep closely for your projects. And tomorrow I could send an email about the details, alright? And also, thank you, James. Thank you, Vikas. Thank you, Joko, and also Alriza, Nihar, and also Erkin. Okay, thank you all friends. See you next time. Bye bye.
红的那个。